Well, hello YouTube and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be adding a second, third level brake light from Just Add Lightness. I already have one at the moment which I'm going to show you now, which is in the centre of the roll bar, but I wanted to add another one just so, well, it's a bit better for safety. I know I joke about safety with my wife quite a bit, that adding things for safety, but yeah, it's always good to be seen. There's currently a good video on how to install these lights, which I will put in the description below. So this is more of an overview video.
So here are two different sizes of the P-clips you could get with the third level brake light. This one's a 38mm one, which I think is to do with the size when you close it like this and the size here. And this is a 32mm one. So my little tip is, because you might like to have the silver showing, but most roll bars are black. So my little tip is take the rubber off first, which I'll do quickly now. And then put that to one side. So it's just a metal bit on its own. And then there's these very handy paint pens. So it's Edding, says for glass, metal and plastic, and it's a black one. So you literally just shake it up and then it's mixed. I'm sure you could prep it before, but to be honest I never actually have, and it seems to have worked okay for me. So because the rubber covers the inside of it in here, in there, you don't need to do loads, but there's a little bit that it doesn't cover, so I'll do a little bit in here, go around there, and then obviously make sure that you do all of this side, because the rubber goes to up around about there, so you need to do at least this here, but you might as well just do the whole lot. But I'll show you one, rather than you watching me colour it in. I'll just show you one that's been done.
So I will put a link in the description of where to buy these pens from, or where you can buy these pens from. It seems like quite a good match for the roll bar. It's quite good coverage, or I think so. And here you can see, this is one that's on the roll bar, and it blends in quite well, I think, compared to having the silver. So you could also use tape on it, I suppose, but this seems to work.
I also use these pens to tidy up the interior a bit, so it's hopefully you can see there's the metal is kind of exposed here. It's not the best light in the world, but instead of it being completely black, it's the paint's come off a little bit. So I shall try and do one-handed. So then, hopefully you can see that's been tidied up. It's not an exact match, but it's a lot better than seeing the exposed aluminium anyway. Before I did have one in the middle here, and now I've got one either side. So because of my Harford, how it fits, it's actually for the standard roll bar, where this is a slightly different one, so it does come down a bit further than what it should do. So these are a little bit further down, just so when my Harford is on you can still see them underneath. So eventually I will get one that fits properly, and then these will go up a little bit, so I've left a little bit of movement in the wires, so I can sort that out at a later date. So how I fix them in place, so there's the P-clip. I've got some cable ties, you can see down there. You can use tape if you wanted to use tape, but I had cable ties before, so I've done that. And then underneath here it's duct taped, so that one's all the way down there. I put a kind of connector block in to connect this light into this one, and then there's another cable that goes down here through the boot and then connected underneath, and I'll show you that in a second. After feeding the wire through the inside of the boot, it will come down inside here. Here are my connections for the third level brake light for them to go into. Mine were just tucked up here, like zip tied to the side. So when you attach the spade connectors, you do black to black and then red to green, and then zip tie it away, after you've covered them in tape. As you can maybe see, my Harford doesn't fit correctly because it's for the actual standard roll bar, when I've got I think they call it the FIA, or maybe the track day one, which has the X in the middle. So this reflector here should actually be here, so that's a bit of a difference. So these lights will eventually move up when I do get a different hood, but like I said, this is from Soft Bits for Sevens as well, and it's got the easy in zips, which somebody did actually ask me about. They thought, was it with my challenge that somebody thought I'd put it on inside out. So there's a zip under here which you zip down, and then you can fold that in, and then obviously it's a lot easier to get in. So when I first had Little Fern, I was really struggling. So there's just a little bit of Velcro on there to hold it in place, and there's a little clip. Well, I don't think I'll be able to show you. There's a little popper on this zip. You're going to see it goes up there. So like I say, when I do get one that fits properly, these lights will move up a little bit. But I will show you what the lights look like now, having two instead of having one in the middle. Having one in the middle is a lot better than having none at all, just because, you know, it's such a low car anyway. Having the LED lights, and again these are from Just Add Lightness, all of my lights are from Just Add Lightness, they're so much brighter being the LED units rather than the normal bulbs or even LED bulbs. I tried that for a little bit, but these units are so much better. It's very hard to tell in a video how much better that they are. I've tried doing the Just Add Lightness units next to like a kind of standard one, but it doesn't do it justice. So if you ever see me out and about and you want to know the difference, and I don't know, park your car next to mine, say, and then see, that's no problem at all. Just give me a shout, and I'm sure other owners would do the same. But when you're driving along, especially in a group of Caterhams, you can see which ones are the Just Add Lightness ones or LED units. You know, there are other brands available, but I own the Just Add Lightness ones. I can't comment on any of the other things, but the LED bulbs that I've tried are definitely not as good. Standard units are totally pants in comparison, in my view.
This is showing the two lights instead of one. I really like the look. Very happy with them. Like I've been happy with all of my products from Just Add Lightness that I've bought. I will leave any links in the description of, say, where to buy these lights and where to buy the pen from and things like that. And also the link to the video or the very good video of how to fit them. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.